So over here you can see that I have this particular video footage right here, and if I were to go around and play this, then you can see that the video footage is shaky. So if I were to go around under edit right here, then you can see that these are the effects that I have. Let me just go around onto the top, and here you can see that there's effect right here, adjustment options. That is, there is smart fix right here, so it detects out different inconsistencies in the videos and tries to fix it out. In my case, the video only has a shakiness right here, and I want to fix that out. And in order to do that, I'm going to go around and utilize the shake reduction over here, just like this. So the way that you use SmartFix is to simply click apply right here. And if I were to click on apply right here, it says SmartFix did not find any problems in the clip right here. But if I were to go to shake reduction right here, you can choose quick or detail mode right here. Let me just go around and utilize the quick mode right here. And what happens is that you can see that it says shake reduction is in progress right here, just like this. So it's analyzing out the clip right here, and you can see that the clip is 45 seconds, and depending on the length, it does take a bit of time for the shake reduction to take place. So you can see the time remaining over here on the right hand side, and it's analyzing out the frames right here, just like this. And it's almost 50%, more than 50% complete. And you can see that it's 70% complete now, and just in a while the shake reduction will be completed. So just a few more seconds right here, just like this, and you can see that it has completed out the process. And now the shake reduction is in process, as you can see. So it has completed analyzing, and the shake reduction is in process now. And this is what you have right now. So if I were to press the play button right here now there is no shake, as you can see right here. You do lose the edges a bit right here because it uses that information for shake reduction, but you can see that the shake is not there anymore. And that is simply how you can use the shake reduction option. So you can go around and remove this out. You can see that this is what you have, but as soon as I actually enable out the shake reduction, then this is what you have. You can see that the footage is really smooth and the shake is not there anymore. So that is how you can utilize the Smart Fix and the shake reduction option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements to correct your footage or reduce the shake of your footage as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.